so, ooh, I almost fell. To my video. For today's video, I'm super excited because we're going to be getting ready for date night. Also, I'm running pretty late, so we're just going to go straight into the video. While we're in the topic of date night, you can take care of how you look, your hairstyle, your outfit, but one thing you definitely have to make sure you're on point on is your scent. You gotta smell good. I'm talking about both sides. Before we get into the makeup portion and getting ready, I'm going to be trying out 3 Dossier fragrances. Their whole motto is iconic scents, dark designer quality, and they're affordable on top of that, which is so cool because it is so hard to find affordable fragrance. I'm a fragrance person. Anyone who can relate, do you guys love testing out different types of perfumes, different type of fragrances, different type of smells, and like switching it up depending on the season or depending on the mood? Which is why I'm so excited to try this out. I'm going to try this out on camera and tell you guys which one's my favorite scent. I'm going to start off with the AMBERY cherry one. I'm going to tell you guys like the top notes, the base notes, and the middle notes, and what it's inspired by. This is inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry Eau de Parfum, and the concentration is 18%. Let me show you guys there. I don't know if it's focusing. Top notes are cherry, almond, and cinnamon, and then the middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, plum, and the base notes are Peru balsam, tonka bean, and vanilla. I heard so much about the AMBERY cherry one, so I'm so excited to try it. What I love is that the packaging looks so cute. I'm gonna tell you guys which one I'm gonna wear. So let me just, so for my left arm right here, I'm gonna be spraying the AMBERY cherry one, and it smells like what it says it is. And I'm going to talk about like the wear test and the longevity of it when I go on my date and tell you guys how it lasts. Next up, I'm not sure which one this is. I was just going to open it and see from the inside. So next up is the floral marshmallow one. The top notes are marshmallow, bergamot, and the middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, and then base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. So this one, I saw it on like one of the videos for Dossier. Someone in the comment section recommended the floral marshmallow one. So I'm excited about it. I do smell a little bit of like an orange smell. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear. Next up is the spicy vanilla one. The top notes are nutmeg, black pepper, lemongrass, and the middle notes are rose, patchouli, and then orris. It's inspired by Tom Ford Noir Eau de Parfum, and the concentration is 15%. I'm gonna spray this like right here. The spicy vanilla smells really good. I think this would be good for unisex. I think I'm gonna be going with the floral marshmallow. I don't know, I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna go ask like different types of opinions before I wear which one. But now that we're done with the fragrance portion, let's get into the get it ready with me because I am running late, like I said. And if you guys like these types of faster chill videos, please let me know because they are more relaxing compared to the tutorial one. This one's more of like I'm getting ready, I'm talking to my best friend on FaceTime vibes because y'all got a connection. So I'm gonna start off first by shaving my face. I don't usually do this, but right here it looks a lot more like not good, and I gotta get rid of like the pitch fuzz. So I guess we're gonna do this on camera. I know you're not supposed to shave your face if you plan on putting makeup after, but we're just gonna do this. A good fact, like what I learned from a dermatologist, is when you shaving your face, do it downwards rather than upwards, and that prevents like breakouts, at least for the most part. Clean everything up and wash your face immediately and then close the pores right after. I just washed my face with lukewarm water and after close my pores with some cold water. I'm not sure if this is right, this is just what I do. It's like tap with a clean towel. The towel I haven't used at all, so usually I try to not use a towel, but just because I'm in a hurry and I can't wait for my face to dry, I'm just gonna use a clean towel, brand new towel, washed, clean, that I haven't used. Also the little lip balm Vaseline that I put on my lips is gone right now, so now my lips are exposed. Yes, they were this dry before. We're gonna just like moisturize my face, use any moisturizer. I try to use like sensitive, gentle moisturizers because my skin is sensitive. I'm just gonna cover up all my dark spots with some concealer. Next up, I'm just gonna apply my foundation. Usually I wait for this to dry for a longer time, but because I'm running late, I'm just gonna apply some foundation. Guys, what is your favorite date? Do you guys like more of like a chill date, or do you guys prefer more of like going to a restaurant, going out to eat, or do you prefer like a nature day Or do you prefer like activities? Do you prefer like ice skating or doing something? And there are some videos you'll see where it's rushed, and I'm never proud of those videos. I feel so ashamed of myself, like, girl, you could have done better with that video. You could have uploaded a way better video, a way better quality. The editing could have been better. I don't know, I'm just so much harder on myself when it comes to my YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna add some blush. That is a lot. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up. If you guys saw my other video, I just kind of like go with the flow. And then I take some of my brow brush. All I do is I just create fake eyebrow hairs. Brush that aside. I'm just gonna go straight into mascara. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. And then. But next up, I'm just gonna go with the lip liner. I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna go with. I just go on with a different color, like a more maroonish, more of like a subtle lip is what I'm going for. I'm gonna change my outfit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with these, especially the pants, because I kind of put my other pants, the jeans I was gonna wear, in the dryer. Like a little cute, like, oh, that is so cute. This blue purple thing, I think it looks really nice. I think it adds on to my look. The only thing is that I just need to change my outfit because it does not work with my outfit. Kind of have to go with something that's a blue or like a neutral. Hi guys, so ooh, I almost fell. But I just went with like a black blouse. I'll show you guys the full outfit when I go outside. So let's do like the montage of like, get ready with me with the Thank you guys so much for watching this video.